Welcome to Best Productly. Top 5 Best Garbage Disposal.
Top 5.
Waste King L1001 Garbage Disposal with Power Cord, 1/2 horsepower. High-speed motor, the 1/2 horsepower, 2600 RPMs, 115 V, permanent magnet motor jams less. Has dishwasher hookup. Easy installation and cleaning, easy mount for a quick and easy kitchen sink installation, removable splash guard for easy cleaning. 2-year protection, 2-year limited. Corrosion-resistant grinding components. No electrical expertise needed, pre-installed power cord, no electrical work required. Lightweight, compact and lightweight garbage disposer saves space under the sink. Continuous feed disposal, activated by a wall switch, the disposal quickly grinds food waste continuously as it runs. Grind chamber capacity, 27.3 ounces. Note from the manufacturer, customers may receive product with the original brand logo or updated logo and packaging.
Top 4.
General Electric GFC 320V Continuous Feed Disposal, large capacity, 1/3 horsepower, black. Make sure this fits by entering your model number. 1/3 horsepower permanent magnet motor. Over 2500 RPMs grinding action, based on RPM testing of clear GE and competitive models. Large capacity with galvanized steel turntable, direct wire power connection. Easy mount installation with removable splash guard and stopper included. Stainless steel, dual swivel, anti-jam grinding blades.
Check out the description for more information and latest price. Top 3.
InSinkErator Garbage Disposal with Cord, Badger 5, 1/2 horsepower continuous feed. Reliable and easy install, Badger series disposers are a reliable and functional choice when affordability is the prime concern, and features a compact, space-saving design that fits existing InSinkErator hardware for a quick and easy install. Durable components. This garbage disposal features our exclusive 1/2 horsepower DuraDrive induction motor and long-lasting galvanized steel components to ensure a dependable grind for everyday food scraps. America's #1 disposer brand, there are more American-built InSinkErator garbage disposals in U.S. homes than all other brands combined. A full line of models means there's one right for every need and budget. Faster, cleaner, smarter, from meal prep to cleanup, InSinkErator helps make it fast and easy to keep your kitchen clean with our iconic appliances, garbage disposals and instant hot water dispensers.
Top 2.
InSinkErator 74028 Evolution Compact 3/4 horsepower household garbage disposal. Make sure this fits by entering your model number. Space efficient, durable components, perfect for small households or houses with restricted cabinet space. This garbage disposal easily fits under your sink and features alloy stainless steel components with a leak guard liner for the highest durability. Quiet but powerful, this innovative food waste disposal features noise-reducing sound seal technology, our exclusive, long-lasting 3/4 horsepower DuraDrive induction motor, and 2-stage multi-grind technology to handle the toughest food scraps. America's #1 disposer brand, there are more American-built InSinkErator garbage disposals in U.S. homes than all other brands combined. A full line of models means there's one right for every need and budget. Faster, cleaner, smarter, from meal prep to cleanup, InSinkErator helps make it fast and easy to keep your kitchen clean with our iconic appliances, garbage disposals and instant hot water dispensers.
Top 1.
InSinkErator Garbage Disposal, Evolution XL, 1.0 horsepower continuous feed. Quiet but powerful, this innovative food waste disposal is the quietest disposal on the market, featuring advanced noise-reducing, insulated sound seal technology, and our exclusive, long-lasting 1 horsepower DuraDrive induction motor. Durable components for the toughest food scraps. This garbage disposal features alloy stainless steel components with our leak guard liner for the highest durability and 3-stage multi-grind technology with jam assist to handle the toughest food scraps. America's #1 disposer brand, there are more American-built InSinkErator garbage disposals in US homes than all other brands combined. A full line of models means there's one right for every need and budget. Faster, cleaner, smarter, from meal prep to cleanup, InSinkErator helps make it fast and easy to keep your kitchen clean with our iconic appliances, garbage disposals and instant hot water dispensers.
All of the items are available on Amazon.com. I have included all the link in the description. You can check out the link for latest price. Guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the link button below, share with your friends and be sure to subscribe.